Welcome to our Greenfield online class, dear student. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter 7, Climate of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is one of the highest disaster prone area of the world. We know that the whole world is undergoing climate change due to temperature rise on the Earth's surface or global warming. The climate change causes less crops production in the torrid zone during the dry season. Besides this result in excessive rain, flood and waterlogging in the rainy season as well as drought, tornadoes, cyclones, tidal bores or similar natural disaster in the dry season. Salinity increases in the coastal areas. Sudden cold or hot wave, deep fog, and some byproducts. Besides, earthquake is one of the natural disaster of the country. Geographical position, global warming are the causes of this disaster. At first, I will discuss flood. More or less, flood occurs in Bangladesh almost every year. All rivers of Bangladesh, including the three major rivers. What are the three major rivers? Padma, Meghna, and Jamuna are originated in India. These rivers carry a great water flow from melted water of the Himalayas and huge rainfall in the highland through Bangladesh to the Bay of Bengal. Water from rainfall and hills of Bangladesh is added to it and increase the water level of rivers and finally flood the adjacent areas. Floods causes a lot of damage to our people. You look as picture here. Some people stand on the roof from the flood. Floods causes a lot of damage to our people and resources every year. On the other side, the rivers carries millions of tons of silt every year. A lot of silt is not carried to the bay and stored in the riverbed. Actually, when rainy season started, then lot of rivers carries million of tons of silt, and these are not going to fall in the bay. It's actually stored in the riverbed. This reduces the river's capacity to carry water. So flood occurs on the river banks and adjoining areas. And when these silts full in the bed of the river, then the excess water overflow the river and flood is occurred. So flood occurs on the riverbeds at adjoining areas. Crops are damaged severely and that leads to food crisis. Many people become unemployed, and the country experienced severe floods in 1988. In which year the country faced a severe flood? 1988, 1998 and 2004. 3 years we identified flood occurred in our country severely. Now scientists says flood cannot be controlled totally, but damages due to floods may be controlled. Actually, it is a natural calamity. We cannot control it, but we minimize it, and we will take some initiative to minimize the damage. River erosion. River erosion is a regular natural disaster in Bangladesh. Every year, especially during monsoon, river erosion occurs in the country. One of the reasons of this disaster is the natural of course of rivers. Most of the rivers of the country follow a frequently meandering course. As a result, strong current cannot flow straight and strikes the bank, which start to erode. Besides, change of river courses, lost structure of river banks, river filling, unplanned embankment to control rivers, and absence of trees on river banks, etc., contribute to increase this problem. River erosion causes thousands of acres of cultivable land, residents, and different other construction to go down to the rivers every year. As a consequence, thousands of people of the country become homeless and destitute, losing their employment too. Awareness of the causes of river erosion may minimize the disaster, its resultant damages. Drought is a natural disaster in Bangladesh. Lack of proper rainfall and slide in underground water level cause drought. Actually, underground water level is decreasing because we use a lot of water from the underground and pick up the water. Almost every year at the end of spring and advent of summer season, drought occurs in different which time it occurs. The severity of drought is visible in the northern region. Which region it is visible severely? Irrigation is hampered and crops are damaged due to lack of water. Besides, lack of rainfall, drought is also caused by construction of dams in the upstream of rivers. It is one of the important point. Actually, construction of dam in the upstream of the rivers and drought will be occurred, and environmental pollution. There may not be any permanent remedy to this problem. Upstream or river flow, if you build a dam, then the river flow is not going frequently, is not growing normally, and that is the point, and drought will be occurred. There may not be any permanent remedy to this problem. If we are aware of it and take necessary steps in times, damages can be lessened. For this, we need to test the surface water level and put a stoppage to further pumping. Some bad people try to pumping the surface water, and for this reason we face a great famine and we face a drought. Will be face a drought and great famine if we not stop this. We should store water during the monsoon, so people can do they should store water during the monsoon. Mass awareness about proper water management and use. Water management is a very important issue here. Actually, how much water we get and how to use this water. For this reason, we make a plan, and according to this plan, we used it, and use will also be of help. Cold wave. Although Bangladesh is not a cold country, mild and medium cold waves are noticed some years in December to January. Its intensity is noticeable, especially in the northern region. Many people die Even due to severe cold wave, the regular life pattern suffers during this time. Ordinary people like day uh, laborer and workers do not get any job. The cold wave damages crops severely. The people poor suffer most as they do not have houses and sufficient warm clothes. Proper and timely initiatives from the government and conscious people may lessen these severe suffering to a great extent. Tornado. Tornado is one of the most frequent natural disaster in Bangladesh. It is a kind of violent and speedy windstorm. What type of kind of violent and speedy wind storm? It is created due to low pressure on how to create it. It is created due to low pressure on land mass which occurs in the same place. Tornado is much natural disaster that cannot be forecasted or given uh, early warning about. Cloud shapes like the funnel or elephant's trunk gather in the you look the picture and uh, here is the tornado symptom. um, Here is given the tornado symptom in the sky just before a tornado. Gradually, this funnel shaped cloud rushes toward the low pressure zone. This cloud moves from one place to another as a whirlwind, and whirlwind, a lot of spinning goes on inside the funnel. When this trunk like tornado touches the landmass, it makes a mess of houses, trees, animals, birds, and people of the area. Things are even carried away to different places. It can attack any place all on a sudden and can cause havoc within moments. It is usually of a very short duration, few seconds to few minutes. What is its duration? Few seconds to few minutes. A very small region falls prey to it. Tornadoes generally occur from the end of Falgun to middle of Jyeshto in Bangladesh. In which Bengali month tornado uh, is occurred? Falgun to middle of Jyeshto in Bangladesh. Nor'wester. If temperature of an area rises too high, the wind of that area becomes lighter and goes up. Cooler air from the adjacent areas rushes to fill up that vacuum and creates a storm. This is called the nor'wester. Nor'wester is a storm that is of a very short duration and is regionally originated. Generally, it occurs in the month of Boishak and hence it is known as Kal Boishakhi in Bangla. But it is known what is called in Bangladesh Kal Boishakhi. Generally, it occurs in the month of Boishak. The storm appears from here is a picture you look the scene of nor'wester. The storm appears from northwest. It occurs more or less every year, although not so devastating like tornadoes. It causes damage to lives and properties. It blows away houses, uproots trees, and hampers riverine transportation. It is notorious to cause naval accidents. Every year, our naval accidents occurs for the Kal Boishakhi. That is why we need to take extra caution during the season or nor'westers in regards of river transportation. Look, uh, lesson 4, measures to mitigate uh, effects of climate change. One of the most discussed issue of the modern world is the effect of climate change. Each of people, society, state has specific roles to play in order to tackle the situation. Measures in cyclone, tornado, and nor'easter situation, abiding by the forecast and warning reports of meteorological office. You know, every thana and or jela level has a have a meteorological office who works uh, who is working who has been working for mitigating program of natural calamities, planting trees around houses. uh, it's important for people's life, controlling greenhouse gas emission, because if you go to the north side of our country, you see the people are very lazy and they don't plant trees around their house. Measures in flood situation, constructing embankment, constructing house on high foundation, plant bamboo, banana, dhol kolmi, dhoincha, and similar trees around your houses. They can defend current of any flood to a large extent. Make an extra roof or a platform inside your house and preserve food, seeds, and other necessary items where if flood cyclone water enters inside the house, they are not damaged. Raising the rivers. Actually, our rivers are not raising proper way, or lack of administrative problem, lack of administrative problem for dredging. Every year dredging must be. Measures in drought situation, ensuring sufficient forestation, putting a stop to pumping out submerged water after proper testing. But some bad people do this continuously, and for this reason lot of problem creates in man's life. Measures in river erosion situation, planting trees on rivers bank, maintaining river banks, dredging rivers on a regular basis. It's very essential for to save the river. So student, uh, you can add some advice, like repair your house, replace the old poles. uh, what are you what type of work uh, you done, and what type of preparation you have to monitor of water regularly during the flood time. Be attentive to cyclone forecast. Wrap household items with polythene or any other water resistant materials and place them on extra roof platforms inside the house. Keep some pure water in a pitcher and close its mouth with a lid. Cover the pitcher properly with a piece of polythene and then preserve it under the earth. Preserve some dry foods such as chira, muri, gur in the same process. Shift livestock such as cows, goats, hens, and ducks to highland. Take shelter in the nearest centers. It is very necessary when the warning uh, uh, will start, then some people did not join and some people avoid it and some people stay in the house. Please take shelter in the nearest shelter centers. You don't need to go to any shelter center for signal number 1, 2, 3 and 4 for any cyclone or tidal bore. Ship children, old people and challenged people and women to shelter center if it is signal number 5. If there is no shelter center, take shelter in the nearest high buildings or school, college or any other institution. So dear student, read it properly. If you have any problem, please message me and contact with me. Thank you very much.